Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one more problem on the integral of the form linear upon quadratic expression. Let us start with problem number 5. Integral 5x plus 7 upon 2x square minus 3x minus 2 dx. Here you can directly see the numerator is a pure linear equation and in the denominator we have a quadratic expression. Therefore, we can write numerator as a into derivative of denominator plus b. That will give you a. We have 2 into derivative of x square is 2x minus 3 into derivative of x is 1 and derivative of constant will be 0 plus b. Therefore, 5x plus 7 is a into 4x minus 3 plus b. On further solving, we have 5x plus 7 as 4ax minus 3a plus b. Therefore, on comparing, you can see the coefficient of x is 4a and the coefficient of x on the left hand side is 5. Similarly, the constant part is minus 3a plus b and here the constant part is plus 7. Solving first equation, we have a as 5 upon 4 and substituting a as 5 upon 4, we can find the value of b. This will give you minus 15 upon 4 plus b is equal to 7. Therefore, b is 7 plus 15 upon 4, which is equal to 7 into 4 is 28 plus 15 upon 4. That will give you 43 upon 4. Now we will substitute the values of a and b in this equation. Therefore, 5x plus 7 is equal to 5 upon 4 into 4x minus 3 plus the value of b is 43 upon 4. Our given integral I is 5x plus 7 upon 2x square minus 3x minus 2 dx. Therefore, I is equal to substituting 5x plus 7 as 5 upon 4 into 4x minus 3 plus 43 upon 4. In the denominator, we have 2x square minus 3x minus 2 dx. Now, we will separate this denominator to both the terms present in the numerator. This will give you I is equal to 5 upon 4 4x minus 3 upon 2x square minus 3x minus 2 plus 43 upon 4 upon 2x square minus 3x minus 2 dx. In the next step, we can separate this integration to both the terms and at the same time we can take this constant part outside. This will give you 5 upon 4 integral 4x minus 3 upon 2x square minus 3x minus 2 dx plus 43 upon 4 integral 1 upon 2x square minus 3x minus 2 dx. In the first part, you can see it is in the form of integral f dash x upon f of x as derivative of denominator is present in the numerator. This will give you 5 upon 4 log of denominator 2x square minus 3x minus 2 plus 43 upon 4 This integration can be considered as I1. Now let us take it as equation number 1 and start solving this integral, that is I1. Our I1 is present in the form of 1 upon quadratic. Therefore, the first step we will check that the coefficient of x square should be 1. Here you can see it is 2. Therefore, we need to take 2 common from the denominator. This will give you I1 as 1 upon 2 into x square minus 3x upon 2, and here we have minus 1. Therefore, I1 becomes 1 by 2 integral 1 upon x square minus 3x by 2 minus 1 dx. Now let us find the third term, which is given by the formula half into coefficient of x the whole square. That will give you half. Coefficient of x is minus 3 by 2 the whole square. That will give you minus 3 upon 4 the whole square, which is equal to minus 3 square is plus 9 upon 4 square is 16. Now let us add and subtract this third term in the denominator. Therefore, I1 becomes 1 by 2 integral dx upon x square minus 3x upon 2. Adding the third term, we have plus 9 upon 16 balanced by minus 9 upon 16 followed by minus 1, whose denominator is 1. Therefore, I1 is half. You can reduce these three terms as square root of first term is x, sine of second term it is minus, and square root of third term is 3 upon 4 the whole square. These two fractions will be minus 9 minus 16, that will give you minus 25 upon 16 into 1 is 16. As our x square is ready, we can write the remaining constant as a square. That is 25 by 16 can be written as 5 upon 4 the whole square. I1 is 1 upon 2 integral dx upon x minus 3 upon 4 the whole square minus 5 upon 4 the whole square. Now this integral can be compared with the standard formula of integral 1 upon x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Here you can see the value of x is x minus 3 by 4 and the value of a is 5 by 4. Therefore, I1 becomes, we have 1 upon 2 first multiplied by 1 upon 2a. The value of a is 5 upon 4 into, we have log of x minus a. The value of x is x minus 3 upon 4 minus value of a is 5 upon 4 divided by x plus a. X minus 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4 plus c. Here you can see 2 into 2 will give you 4, and this 4 will be cancelled with the 4 present in the denominator. Therefore, I1 becomes 1 upon 5 log of, taking 4 as a LCM, we have 4x minus 3 minus 5 upon 4 divided by, here we have 4x minus 3 plus 5 upon 4 plus c. 4 will be cancelled and I1 will be 1 upon 5 log of 4x minus 3 minus 5 will give you minus 8 upon minus 3 plus 5 will give you plus 2 plus c. Taking 2 common in the numerator and denominator, we can write I1 as 1 upon 5 log 2 into 2x minus 4 upon 2 into 2x plus 1 plus c. Here 2 will be cancelled and I1 becomes 1 upon 5 log 2x minus 4 upon 2x plus 1 plus c. Now let us substitute the value of I1 in equation number 1. Our equation number 1 was I is equal to 5 upon 4 log of 2x square minus 3x minus 2 plus 43 upon 4 I1. That will give you 5 upon 4 log of 2x square minus 3x minus 2 plus 43 upon 4 into I1 is 1 upon 5 log of 2x minus 4 upon 2x plus 1 plus c. Therefore, we have I is equal to 5 upon 4 log of 2x square minus 3x minus 2 plus 43 into 1 will give you 43 upon 4 into 5 is 20 log of 2x minus 4 upon 2x plus 1 plus c. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda.